As soon as this thing finished charging up, guys, we're going to take the Bugs 4W out for a midnight flight. Wow, by the way, she's holding a position very, 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 very well. Wow, almost phantom-like. What's up, guys? It's your boy DJ Soul Force. Gonna do a midnight flight with the Bugs 4W. It's been a long time since I've done a midnight flight here, guys, at the house. What I wanted to test tonight is the landing lights on the Bugs 4W. Remember, this one has optical flow. It has an ultrasonic sensor on the bottom. It also has these super bright LEDs on the bottom, and that's supposed to help assist with your nighttime landings. Let's press the red button to start the motors. Okay, we got the motor started. Let's do a manual takeoff. Let her sit there and hover. I wasn't planning on recording any video, guys. Night flights like this won't make for the best videos. See if we can locate the right top shoulder button, which is your speed button. Is it a long press or is it a short press? Okay, it's a short press. Short press on the speed button and the landing lights come on, guys. Now, there's an optical flow camera under this drone. Wow, by the way, she's holding a position very, 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 very well. Wow, almost phantom-like. What we're gonna do is just take it out for a quick short flight around my neighborhood. Wow, she looks UFO-ish. Take her back out over what I call my Bermuda Triangle, a part of my neighborhood that's just basically all trees. Wow, the wind's gusting up there. There's almost zero wind down here on the ground, guys, but there's about a 12-mile-per-hour wind up there above the tree line. We're not going to do anything fancy, guys. And just like I predicted in my daytime flight review of this drone, I pretty much thought the navigation lights on the drone, the red and the green lights on the legs, that they basically get washed out at night by the white light, the landing lights. It's pretty cool, I guess. If you're flying FPV, which we got a pretty good signal here, that FPV signal could be your guide at night, except for this is not the best low light camera. Otherwise, I have no way of knowing which way that drone is pointing right now. All I see is the white light. Now, as an experienced flyer, I can tell by stick commands. Okay, if I push forward, she's moving to the right. Then I want to yaw to the right and do like a square circle to bring it back towards me. She's got red lights in the front and green lights in the back. And like I said, those lights get pretty much washed out by the landing lights. I wish they had a standard in China. I have some drones I have to keep repeating to myself. Don't forget, Soul Force, the red lights or the headlights. Now the question is, are those landing lights any help as far as bringing the drone back home and landing it on the pad? We're gonna find out right now. Let me get under the light. The drone's up there hovering. Here's my return to home button. Okay, we have activated return to home. I said this was a midnight flight, but actually it's not midnight. It's about 10 p.m. It's halftime of the football game, Monday Night Football. So wanted to do this real quick, guys, just to test those landing lights. Of course, they're not that effective in the daytime, and my first review of this drone was a daytime flight. The last nighttime flight I posted on my channel was the Bugs 3, almost 2.5, 3 years ago. So ironically, we're doing the Bugs 4 nighttime flight. Here she comes, back to home automatically. That is not bad though, that is not bad. It looked like the light went off automatically. I didn't turn that off. In my opinion, the lights are just for show. In fact, let's test it. Let's test it. Let's test it right now. Without the lights. Let's take it off again. Take it off again. Send it out real quick. Oh, wait, real quick, guys. Let me bring it back down. That's full left stick down. She comes down pretty slow. This was another one of my suspicions during the daytime review, or the flight review I did at the field, that these LEDs aren't really super bright. So unless you're like parallel with them, when you're looking at the drone straight from the bottom like this, it's kind of hard to see. Take it out real quick, guys. Let me give her some altitude. I don't want to go too far because you guys will have a hard time seeing this. I can see the navigation lights better without the landing lights being turned on. She's an auto return to home now, guys. Without the landing lights. So here she comes. And we took off from the same spot. Well, hell. Yeah, well, goddamn. Maybe the landing lights do make a difference. This time, guys, she's almost 4.5, 5 feet away from the landing pad. So, I don't know what to say. But one thing I will say is I'm glad it does work. It's a nice purchase for the, or bang for the buck, guys. Very stable flyer. I wish it had stabilization or motorized gimbal, but it doesn't. You can't turn the GPS on and off, I believe, and even with the GPS on, she's a pretty sporty flyer, guys. So there we go, a test of the night lights for the MJX Bugs 4W, guys. It's your boy DJ Soul Force. Pow! I'm out of here.